Soon the bears will be able to use the ice to hunt seals. As pancakes of ice lock together, the Arctic Ocean starts to transform. It's good news for the fox. He'll follow the bears like a shadow, ready to pick up any scraps whenever they make a kill. Until then, he'll amuse himself by teasing the cubs. New ice is unpredictable stuff. The youngsters seem perplexed by this strange surface. Sea ice is bendy and flexes beneath their feet because of the salt. At 300 kilograms, Mum knows the sensible thing is to spread the weight by walking like a cowboy. But you can't beat gravity. As the ice thickens, the cubs get a chance to practice their seal hunting skills. They throw themselves at it with all the enthusiasm of youth, but it will be another year before they'll actually catch anything. The bears save their energy, while the sea freezes around them.